Hi, I'm Bill.
I'm Lori.
Welcome to our channel. We've got a couple of friends that are going to be coming over for a pizza dinner. So Lori is going to share with you today a side dish she's going to prepare and serve as part of the meal. So take it away, Lori.
Okay. Today I'm making Sunomono, which is Japanese cucumber salad. Whenever I serve something rich like pizza with pepperoni and cheese, I think serving something with an acidic component really helps. Like a green salad, and in this case, a cucumber salad. So I selected an English cucumber because the skins are really thin. And my mother always cut her cucumber slices almost paper thin. But I like it with a little bit more texture, so I cut about 1/8 of an inch. So I'm going to cut the cucumber in half just to make it easier. And I'm going to slice it pretty thin. I guess it's more than 1/8 of an inch. If you want uniform slices, you always use a mandolin. I've already transferred the sliced cucumbers to the bowl and added 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now that's to draw out the water from the cucumbers. I'm going to mix it well with my hands. And then set it aside for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to make the dressing. This is enough for 1 English cucumber. 3 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and you mix until it's dissolved. After that, as an option, you can add 1/4 teaspoon of soy sauce. So after the cucumbers have been mixed with the salt, the water's been extracted. So I'm going to squeeze these cucumbers and remove the water. So now I'm going to add the dressing to our cucumbers. And I'm transferring the dressed cucumbers to our serving bowl since we're having company tonight. If it was just Bill and I, we would be eating directly out of this bowl.
That's right. We'd be a lot more casual, but for friends, we like to go a little bit extra. So, boy, Lori, that looks fantastic. Now, if this was a more traditional recipe with the Japanese cucumbers thinly sliced, then you probably would have been able to squeeze more water out of it.
Well, probably.
Probably. All right. Well, we're going to taste a little bit of this.
Okay. I'll give you some of these. Oh.
Well, that should be enough to taste.
Yeah. Here, have a little.
Oh, thank you, sweetie. I guess I missed that. And the crunch. I think that's why you like to cut them a little bit thicker.
Yeah.
Very good.
Good. Delicious.
So, this is one of our favorites, and we generally also serve it at family gatherings. And Lori's extended family has a big New Year's celebration every year, and this is often a dish that you would find there as well. So, anything else to say in closing?
No, but we're ready for guests.
That's right. A very simple recipe, easy to make, simple ingredients, and you really can't go wrong. So, thank you for checking out our channel. If you like this type of content, please give us a thumbs up. As always, we welcome new subscribers. We'd like to thank our existing subscribers as well.
And if you have any questions or comments, we'd love to hear from you.
And I think that's, we'll close on that, Lori.
That's a wrap.
Yeah, that's a wrap. Till next time.
Bye.
Cut.